are going to love the 2016 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, Sirius satellite radio, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.